Good morning. My name is Chef Mwaura. I want to show you something about a menu. This is a menu. What is a menu? A menu is a list of items that are being offered by an organization, usually priced. These menus actually are the ones that determine what the organization sells. It determines what decor they use. It also determines what they do in that organization, how many people they have, the type of menu, whether it is a traditional food, international food, whatever it is. So this is a menu. It's a list of items. As you can see it, it has many parts. It has a big list of items, as you can see, that are being offered by the organization. So from time to time, we have to keep on changing the menus. I want to change this one of mine because it has been there for a period of almost 5 years, which is overdue. I want to put some new, I want to bring in a new menu like this one. Because this menu has pockets, I don't need to buy a new pocket book. I just use this one. So I'm going to use this pocket book. I'm going to remove the old leaves from the pocket book. As you see, I'm removing the old leaves. That is one leaf. And then this one is another one. I'm removing another one. You can see there. I'm also removing another one. There you are. You can see I'm removing the leaves from the old menu. Off they go. We're not going to use them anymore. We are going to have now a new menu that we are going to be using in our organization. So you can see I am removing the old pockets. All the old pockets are going. I'm removing them one by one. As you can see, I'm removing all the pockets, all the old items. I want to bring in new items into my menu. So I have to assess the pockets, whether they are okay. Sometimes they become torn, sometimes they are not good. So I'm checking. Oh, they all seem to be good. So we are good to go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove my new menu from which I have just received from my printer. Sometimes you can print for yourself, you can design for yourself, but you can also get a designer to design for you the menus. So this design of mine is a very good one. They have actually arranged the menu cards very well, so I can just keep on fix one by one. So you can see this is the menu I begin now fixing. I'm fixing the menu. You can see I'm fixing. This is the next page. I'm fixing the next page. And by the time I'm through, I will have a new menu. And you know, menus are very good. Sometimes people, they go to hotels just to ask for the menu, and they just look at the menu and then they go home even without doing anything. Menus sometimes are books, you know, of food. And some people just come to see what you have in the menu and then they go and cook at home. So when you have a good menu, you will also have people coming to your institution just to look at the menu. And you know, the others who are coming to eat, there are others who like coming where there are many people. So when somebody is just looking at the menu, they will not know whether they are eating or they are just looking at the menu. So you end up having very many customers because you have a very good, beautiful menu. Like if you look at this one of mine, it has many colors. It has many rainbow colors. This one is purple. This page is purple. And then the last page is black and printed in white, which is very legible. You can actually see and you can actually be able to know what is in the menu. So my menu, I have changed my menu. It's new now. You can see it has a black page. It has a gallery showing what is done in the organization. You can see in this gallery, you can see there are quite a number of things that are done by this particular organization. They have rooms, they have a gym, they have a children's playground, and they have a refreshment beverage place. So you can see there. They also have a place where the restaurants, you see. So this is a gallery. These are the strategies of the organization. You can see the vision, the mission, the motto, the passion of excellence, I can read for you the Passion of Excellence. Here it says, we make our food from scratch using the finest ingredients. That's the Passion of Excellence. Our chef is passionate about creating sumptuous food that will keep you coming back again and again. So these things, why do you write them? People come and read, people keep themselves busy, and as I was saying, this menu has different colors. You can see this is blue, this one is green, this one is purple, this page is purple, this one is blue again, this one is brownish color, this one is purple again, and then you can see the last page is black. So you can see we are using different colors, catchy colors, and then we are also putting items strategically. For instance, if you want an item, the item that sells most, that's why you're seeing most of our pictures are on this side. You know, the item that you want to sell most, you put them on this side, because people, when they open the menu, this is the first place they see in the menu. So this is, you can see this well designed. It has very many sections, quite a number of sections, very many sections. For this menu is quite big. Other menus are just a few pages. This one is almost 7 pages. 7 pages, almost 7 leaves. That's 14 pages of items. There are breakfast items. You can see there. There are snacks. There are the snacks go all the way: sandwiches, burgers, rolls, pies, pancakes. You can see there are also what we call non-vegetarian starters. We have vegetarian starters, you know. You can see that we have fish, you know. You can see chef special. All these are sections in a menu. You can see the chicken, the beef, the grills. You can see the pizza section. There is the choma section, the what we call grills, the roasted ones, the char grill. You know, in Kenya we do a lot of roasting in the grills. We have jikos. We use charcoal to make roasted meat. So you have to have that in your menu. We have the pastas. We have the African section. People are now doing a lot of African, and that's one of my passions. I want to do a lot of African and make the African dishes international, so that they are palatable to our international guests. So you can see here, we have, like in the African section, we have stewed lentils, traditional vegetables. We have what we call mataha. Mataha are types of dishes made in Africa, like mukimo, kimanga, pilau, gonjagoto, pilau njeri. We have githeri, matoke, arrowroot dishes, sweet potato dishes. So now all these dishes, we are trying to make them palatable. Like the arrowroot, sometimes we make crisps with it, so that we can introduce it to people. I have heard Americans, you give them arrowroot, they say, "Whoa, what is that purple potato? Can you eat? Am I supposed to eat a purple potato?" And you know, purple sometimes isn't very palatable. It doesn't look yummy. So what we do is we make crisps. Sometimes we make dishes from the potatoes. We mix them with other dishes, which are carrots and other things, so that it gives them a color contrast. We have uji. We have salads. Here you can see, this is the curry menu. In Kenya, we also do a lot of curries, and the curries are there. You can see that's a curry menu. We also have what we call tandoori, koroga, stir fries, noodles, etc., etc. So here you can see these are desserts. We sell our desserts. We have is normally the last, because people end their food with the desserts. So and you say that the dessert is normally the best course of the meal. That's where you must nail it, so that if somebody was disappointed elsewhere, you can really be able to make up with the dessert. So you can see here we have simple fruit desserts, compound desserts. We have breezers, ice creams, juices, cream cakes, sponge cakes, special desserts, occasional cakes. So that's it. So this is my menu, and thank you for listening, and God bless you so much. We'll be talking much more about many other things. Thank you.